welcome back students. So we are now going to do the next method is here. Method number 3, that is from by the halogen exchange method, by halogen exchange method. Okay, so whenever you are doing by the halogen exchange method, then what to do there into that you must see is very important, and it is one of the naming reaction also. Usually RX and NaI. Okay, then what to do there, beta? This iodine will go there and X will come here. Okay, then it will become Ri plus NaX. Is that clear? I will write one example also for you people. You must see, all of you. At the place of Rx, I can take some another example. Okay, one example is here. You must see, all of you. Okay, that is an example. See, CH3 CH2 Br plus NaI. Okay, in the presence of usually acetone. क्या बनेगा? CH3 CH2I plus NaBr. Clear? And student, one thing more, this is, I told you, naming reaction, and is called, this is called Finkelstein reaction. What do you call it? You can call it Finkelstein reaction. Just remember their names. Finkelstein reaction. Understood? So this was the third method that we have done already. Okay. Now after that, students, we are having a last method of preparation, that is from silver salt of acid, from the silver salt of acid. So whenever we are talking about the silver salt of acid, you please see, this is also one of the naming reaction. You must see, all of you. Suppose I am writing there, this is CH3COOAg. This is called silver salt of acid, and I am doing its reaction with the Br2 in the presence of CCl4. Okay, then student, what to do there? क्या होगा हमारे पास? You must see, all of you. This is Br, then this will become CH3Br. क्या बन जाएगा ये? CH3Br, CO2 will be separated and AgBr will be separated. Then product, here I am writing, downside space is not there, that is why I am writing the product over here. Then it will become, you must see, all of you, it becomes CH3Br, okay, plus CO2 plus AgBr. Clear? And student, just remember, this is a naming reaction. Okay, this is the naming reaction which is known as borodene Hunts-Dicker reaction, or simply you called Hunts-Dicker reaction. Clear? Okay, student, after that you please make one note. Okay, after that you make one note. In the note, what to do there, beta? Actually, the yield of the halide, what we are forming. Okay, what we are forming over there is primary is maximum, then secondary, then tertiary, and we are usually using the bromine. But sometimes if we are using the chlorine or iodine, we can use the chlorine also, but the yield will be very low. Okay, but if we are using the iodine, then ester will be formed, halocane will not be formed. With the Cl2, yield is low. Yield means the amount of halocane will be low, but at the place of, see, all of you please, chlorine, if we are using the iodine, beta, then we are getting a esters in the presence of CCl4. Okay, student, see, I'm writing it all of you, suppose this CH3COAG, I am writing like this, CH3COOAG, 2 moles are there. Then after that, what we are getting over here, you must see all of you, we are getting a ester over here. क्या मिलता है हमें? Yeah, we are getting a ester over there, means product is CH3COO. Just wait, I am using a color, CH3COO, CH3. You see the esters? CH3COO, CH3 esters, and one is CO2. What is it? CO2, clear, plus 2AgI, 2AgI, clear. So here esters we are getting, what we are getting, ester. And student, just remember one thing, this is also a naming reaction. This is also a naming reaction which is known as Brin-Biom, BRIN, sorry, Brin-Biom Simonini reaction, Simonini reaction, clear? I hope you are getting my point better. So with that only we have done all the preparation of haloalkane. I hope you understood all the reactions. Please see it and write on your copy. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of you